What's going on, everybody? I wanted to share some thoughts. We Today we did the live stream. Probably my favorite live stream. Right now we're doing them every week for a couple reasons. One, Q4 is coming up, and I have the Q4 Ads Accelerator one-on-one coaching, 13 or so, 12 or 13 slots available. I'm not sure on the number, but there's that reason. The other reason is this. For those of you who won't be able to get into that, Q4 is a time where preparation is at the utmost importance. And we're doing extra live YouTube videos every week right now to help give back to the community, to build momentum, to help you guys do better with your business. And it was so cool today to see. There was this guy, Clayton. He came on. I'm just going to switch arms here. He came on today, and he was on 2 weeks ago. And we took a look at the book on the live. And I said, just go change the cover, go change, I think, the description and probably the A+. And he did that, and he came back today's live. And the book went from 300,000 to 39,000 BSR in 2 weeks, and it's selling every single day now, he says. Like, he did purchase the program now, but keep in mind, this was free advice that he got from coming on to a live stream on the main channel, asking questions, putting himself out there, showing me his book, saying, Emeka, how can you help me? What do I need to do? And I absolutely love that. There is nothing I love more than helping you guys. Absolutely nothing. I love it. Like, it brings me so much joy to see the light bulb go off when I say something and you get it. This business has changed my life, and it's made me a lot of money. Obviously, coaching makes me like 1 billion times more money, but publishing gave me the first, like, when we started, like, the first thing me and Mariana we were able to do, because we had a little extra money, was go to the movies for dates. Like, that was the first thing we did when we started making money back in 2016 with the first couple books. It was like, oh my God, we can go to the movies whatever now. Like, that's crazy. It's like those little joys in life. I want to bring those to you and as many people as possible to let you know there's another way of living. And it's not being a slave at a job. It's not going paycheck to paycheck. It's not eating at shitty restaurants. It's not counting pennies. It's living the freedom. It's living the life that you truly want to live. Publishing allowed me to do that, right? And it's so cool. And I wanted to just kind of film this, and it was supposed to be about, like, just how much I love doing this. Like, I love being able to answer your questions. I generally do. I just love it. And, you know, when I first ran my program back in the day, I did a lot of the, I was new, I was young, I was stupid, right? I can't tell you that, it's in the program. But, like, now I just don't give a fuck. And some of you are like, why do you give away so much info? Because I know most people who watch the free info, most of them, it goes over their head. Sometimes with free info, like on the YouTube channel, it's like you don't listen to it until you're actually paying money for something. And then even though it's the same advice, because you're paying for it, you hear it differently, and then you get better results. And that's the God honest truth. But I also just don't believe in scarcity. I believe in abundance. I think there's enough for all of us. So if I can go out there and help you make more money right now for free before you even pay me, and even if you never pay me, the fact that I know my shit online helped you make more money, and so you're living a better life, I'm good. I'm good. Because there's enough people out there who will pay me for the advice, for the services, for the coaching. But it's just about the bigger picture. It's about helping as many people live abundantly as possible. This is publishing. This is publishing. And that's why I'm doing it. And that's why I wanted to do a second channel. Like, I don't need a second fucking YouTube channel. God, no. But I figured, it's like, you know what? There's so much that happens that I can't talk about on the main channel because it's like for the algorithm and, you know, it's to grow and all of that. But if people want a little extra Rebecca, if people want like behind the scenes of what it's like running a publishing business, or what it's like day to day, or what it's like, I hate daily life vlogs. We try to avoid those as much as possible, unless my YouTube boss tells me to do it, then I have to. But it's like, if I can show you more about the philosophy, the mindset, the psychology behind how this business works, I want to. Because if you understand it, you'll find more success with it. And that's so cool. And I was talking to somebody who just signed up for the Ads Accelerator for the one-on-one coaching. And I was telling her, by the end of the time that we're working together, you're not just going to know how to publish books. You're not just going to know how to run ads. You're going to understand the why we do things, not the how. The how's easy. Anybody, a monkey can do how, but understanding the why is the difference. And that is where the big money really comes into place. Because ads, for example, there are so many different ways, different things that you can do with ads. There's not one, we try to do it. So it's like, here's one system to follow, but there's so many variables. But once you learn and understand the how or the why behind tweaking campaigns, tweaking things, and once you understand that, ads become simple. Business becomes simple. You look at it differently. And that's always been like the forefront of like when I work with people. I will teach them the how, but they will understand the why. Because if they understand the why, then they don't need me anymore. And if they don't need me, I've done my job. And I've had some amazing coaching calls the last little bit. So I thought it would just be so cool to just kind of share, what gets me excited about working with you guys and doing the free YouTube stuff and answering your questions in the group. And if you're like being shy and like, if you're still living in the mindset, like, I don't want to share my book or whatever. It's like, okay, well, like if you're not making money, nobody gives a fuck about what your book is, by the way, right? Now, those of you who like, yeah, you're making money and so you want to kind of keep it protected a little bit more. You don't want to show it in public or whatever the case is. I 100% get you on that, right? But for those of you who are struggling, you're struggling and like you're worried about somebody finding out your shitty fucking keyword you're in and you're struggling, like ain't nobody want your struggles. Like, get real, okay? But I love it when you come to me with a question saying, Emeka, here's my problem, fix it. Like, that's literally that's my job. You give me problems, I give you solutions, period. Like, that's how we work together. So I will keep doing YouTube videos. I will keep answering your questions in school. I will keep responding to your DMs because it's what I fucking live for. And I wouldn't have it any other way. I love you guys.